Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a simple, very easy video for you. I just want to show you guys how to apply cream contour. I've gotten this question from a few people, so I was like, why not just do a video totally dedicated to that? It'll be a quick video, so you don't have to spend half an hour watching this. So I already applied my foundation, and this is actually the second step I do when I use cream contour. I do my foundation, well, I guess third. I do my primer, foundation, and then cream contour. So there are a few types of cream contours you can use, whether that's a concealer, a darker concealer, a stick contour, a palette contour, or it's kind of like a palette contour. So like these ones are more of the cream contour, so I'm gonna use one of these. Probably gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills kit because I feel like a lot of people have this one or something similar to it. So I'm gonna go in and mix these last two shades, Light Sculpt and Havana. And I'm gonna take this on my Huda Beauty Face Sculpt and Shade Brush. So this is the most important part. You wanna get a nice, like, dense brush, like a flat, dense brush. If I didn't have this one, I would use something like this. You know, just flat and dense. I don't use a sponge for this because I find it just doesn't blend out in a proper line and I just don't like it. So I definitely would invest in either this Huda Beauty one because it's really good, or just a flat dense one. So I'm gonna go in with the little side. You can just pick this up on a concealer brush if you want, just like a tiny concealer brush, maybe something like this. You know, just anything you wanna apply it to your face with before you blend it out. I'm just gonna grab a bit of both of these, just kind of mixing them. Are they kind of dry? They might be kind of dried up. Ooh. It's been a while since I've used this because I mostly use concealers. So I'm just gonna go in and just kind of like, so I place this right above the actual contour of my face because I'm gonna definitely blend this down a little bit, but if I had placed it directly on the line, then I would have blended it a little bit more down into my jaw. So I didn't want that. I placed it a little bit higher than the actual indent in your face. And then go in with the fluffy brush. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it, but I know getting the hang of it is the difficult part. So yeah, you can like keep going back in until you feel like it's contoured enough. Contoured to your liking. Alright, let's go into the next cheekbone. And now I'm not that type of person that likes that line right there, but if you are, when you set your face, you can go ahead and bake that line and then it'll create one. So now I'm just going to contour my jawline. Same thing. I'm just gonna blend it out. This just creates a sharper jawline, like a sharper shadow. Okay, now for my forehead, just gonna draw more dots, more connecting dots, and just blend that out. I just really like to contour my forehead so that my hairline blends into my forehead well, because sometimes when I put foundation on, it'll just look like white into the hairs, and it's not a good look. So lastly, for nose, I'm just going to take the excess. I'm not going to pick up anymore because I don't like my nose contour to be too harsh. Just take the excess and just kind of draw it down the nose bridge. Frame your nose bridge. I'm gonna draw a line under here. Just deepen that up. And then a line across the nose. Then I'm also going to just kind of create a line out there, connecting to the nostril line. Not the nostril line, but like the nostril curve. I like the little like button nose look. And then I'm just gonna clean off that small side because I want to use it to blend now. But I don't want to be contouring anymore. And then using that again, I'm just going to blend that out. And just kind of, if your face shape is different, like just kind of play with it and see what you like better. So yeah, just blending that out. And then you're gonna go in with your concealer afterwards, and that's going to shape everything perfectly. Obviously, everybody has different features and different face shapes, so contouring is going to be different for everybody. But just play around, you know, use more product, less product, take pictures, and just see what you like. One thing I do recommend is not stopping here, you know, go ahead, highlight if you need to, conceal if you need to, but set your face. Even if you have dry skin, definitely set your face for the most part, because right now, if I touched anything, my makeup would just fly off. So it's not going to last very long if you don't set it. So I'm just going to quickly go do the rest of my face. Alright, so I just went and finished my face off. I used a little bit of bronzer after the cream contour, after I powdered my face, because sometimes cream just isn't enough for me. But it's up to you how you'd like to do it. But I want to thank you guys for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. If you guys have any questions or any requests for future looks, please leave them below in the comments and I will get back to you. Thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.